Alright, welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to cover up how you are going to make a student record. So this is what we are going to go through. That is King Hidee International University Faculty of Engineering. So all those student records, that's what we are going to go through. But if you are new to this channel, I'm Idris Abdullahi, coming up with different tutorials for you. So if you have not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. So now let's get started. Now this one is going to be enter in column A1, A2, A3, but let's quickly make a short review or introduction to Microsoft Excel. So those are the types, those are the columns, and these are the rows. So this one this one is A1, B1, C1, others ones A2, B2, C2. So now let's dive into the tutorial. Now let's enter this King Hidee International University. This one is going to be entering column A1, this one A2, A3, A4. So now let's do this. So you press enter button. Basic 1. So you press the enter button. So all those ones letter is going to be aligned to the center, just like this one. All those ones is done. So now I look at column 5, you see that the student record is there. Then column 6, you see that some spaces are left up to column, you can see up to column C6. This one is column C, and this is the row 6. So now we are going to leave that space, then we'll come to column 7, then we'll enter the serial number, reg number, name, and all the details. So we'll write in column 5, we'll write student record. So we'll leave the column 6 empty. So come back to column 7, then we'll write the serial number. So let me use catalog. Serial number, press tab, then the reg number, or you use the next arrow, that was the arrow around your control and the keyboard. So the next one is names. Then when you look at column D7, you see that after date of birth and age, the next thing all is under birth record in column 6. So what we are going to do first is to write date of birth, then the age and birth record will be written on top of it. So here will be date of birth, use arrow to control it. The next one is that's age, yeah. Then measure in years, YRS, and it goes. So looking at this now, birth record is going to be written on top of it. So here we're gonna write birth record. Yeah, so we're done with that. So the next we'll write the monthly allowance. Those are under personal records, then personal details. So under the personal record, we have monthly allowance and the phone numbers of the students. So let's write that as monthly allowance then the next one will be phone number. Now you see that whenever we write a text, sometimes it exceeds the column, but everything we write under the column is still displayed on the top here. Here is called the formula bar, and same thing applicable to this, but as far as it's exceeded to this column still remain empty. So monthly allowance and phone number is under the, let me check, it's under the personal records. So let's write that personal record. So now the next one is personal details. Under it we have daily water consumption and the address of the student. So here is personal details. Then under the personal details we have daily water consumption and the address. That's daily water consumption. Sorry, consumption, and then address. So the next thing we need to do now is, when you look at all the columns and the row, you see that it's not equal size, so we need to adjust those rows and the columns so that everything we're gonna write under it is going to accommodate it enough. So now we need to decrease for the serial number, we'll increase this row, same thing for names and others. So now this one, you come to the top, you align it at the center, you see the arrow has changed, so we'll decrease this. Then for the registration number, that's on column B, we're going to increase the space. Yeah, let me increase it more. Yeah, so same thing applicable to the names. Same thing, date of birth. Yeah, so age, I think age is okay, but let's do the same thing. So monthly allowance and phone number 18. Also all others need to be adjusted as well. So let's do that. Yeah, this same thing, phone number. Yeah, so daily water consumption, address. Yeah, okay. So now the next thing, let's align the text at the center. Now those are the, sorry, now when you click on the center, the text is going to, those are the alignment. When you click on center, it's going to be aligned at the center. Same thing, let's do for this. Same thing, names, this. Yeah, so from here we see that age and year, it's not on the same column. So what we're gonna do is to wrap the text. Let's sorry, yeah, it needs to be adjusted more. Yeah, so let me adjust this a bit. Yeah, there's no space. Okay, yeah, so which one? Okay, monthly allowance, same thing. Wrap the test, put center alignment, wrap the test. I think that was the last one, right? Phone number, same thing to phone number, align it at the center, wrap the test. Okay, yes. Yeah. Okay. Let's expand it a bit. Okay. So same thing, daily water consumption. So let's line it at the center, add the test, and increase it. Yeah. So now for the serial number, let's start with the serial number, reg number. Then let's start filling the details of the students. We'll come back to this and align them after we're finished entering the details. So starting with the serial number, the first one here, that's on column A8, you write A. So this one you are going to write equals to, you apply the formula, then you click on this, then +1, then you press enter. So same thing happens to others up to serial number up to 21 here. That's column A21. Yeah, so let's go more. I think it's tough. Serial number 16, I'm still on following, so let's exceed it more. Yeah, up to 16. So for the reg number, we're going to use formatting to do that. So now for reg number, you can see that it's a combination of both text number alphanumeric. So we're going to use format to do that. We don't need to write them one by one. All we need to do, you need to format this column entirely. When you come up, yeah, you see the arrow is pointing throughout the column. So you come down to numeric again, then customize, then clear the general. We're going to customize everything here. That's ENG 20 CIT 009, everything downward. That's what we are going to do right now. So you start with the ENG /15 /CIT / then you close it. Then we have 1 2 3 4 5. That's we have 5 numeric. So you're gonna enter 00 00000. Yeah, so you press OK. So now if you want to enter the right number, all you need to do, for the first one you write 1, so press enter it to enter it for you automatically. Oh, it starts from 9, right? Yeah, started from 9 10 11 12. So let's do the same thing. Control Z. So then press enter. Then for this one, all you need to do is to apply the formula equals to this plus 1. So press enter. Then go here again, drag it downward to the last one. Yeah, so that's how you are going to do this. Then the names, you can put any names. You can put any names. So enter. After you fill the names, now the birth record, the date, day, then the amount, then this is the year. So what we need to do, we also need to format this as well. So what we need to do is to select the entire column, then go to format, come down to custom, then we'll clear this general. So the first thing we are going to enter is the day. That will be the day, then followed by locket. This one is the one that represents day is the one that represents this. So the next one is going to be day, then the month and the year. That's day slash then the month and then slash then year yy. So after that we are good to go. So we'll enter that's the date of the birth now. That's 020880 02/08/80. Press enter. So you can see that it has already bring the date, the day. So same thing, this 15/08/91. So 15/08/91. Oh, sorry. For this, you are going to enter the month first before the day, then followed by the year. That's 08/15/91. 08/15. The next one is the months come first before the day, then followed by the year. That's 04/01/79. But it's calculating it according to today's date that I am recording this, or I'm doing this. That's 09/08/2018. So it's gonna be 04/01/97/79. Sorry, that's 01/79. Yeah. So 06/04/76. Enter. Then 08/14/84. Sorry. 08/14. 84, right? Yeah. Press enter. So the next, that's 04/07/68. 04/07/80. 84. Yeah, press enter. So that's how you do it up to the end. So now let's come to age. Now when it comes to age, you see it's putting all this age in fraction for us. So like this one is complete 27 years, this one is 38 and a half years, and this one 38 and 1/3 year, this one was 34 years. So what we need to do is we are going to put it same thing on fraction. So we'll write equals to, then I write year frac, double click. Yeah, so then you click on the column, that's you put comma, then you write space today, then double click, and then you close the bracket, then close it again, press enter. So it's pouring this same thing. Oh, I forgot, we're supposed to format the column before doing that, and enter. Sorry, right, let me do this. Yeah, up to here, same thing. So that's how you are going to do it. Now it's going to give you the exact year of a particular student, and also if possible whole number or in fraction. So now let's do for monthly allowance. Now for monthly allowance, you see this one in 31,600 naira. So we need to apply formatting as well. So you format the entire column, then come to number, custom, then you clear the general, then you write naira, then yeah, okay, that's hash, come on, then 000. So let me check. So you remove the 0, then you remove the comma. Yeah, so that's this naira. This sign is going to be automatically put here, and this one represents the first 2 digits and then the last 3 digits. So yeah, it's been formatted. So let's enter the first one, that's 31,600. So the first one, 31,600. Yeah, so that's, yeah, the next one is 55,000. Yeah, so the next one is 41,618. That's 41,618. Then press enter. Next one is 25,830. 25,830. Press enter. So that's how you do it up to the end. So for a phone number, you see here we have 123 space 123 space 123. So we're gonna apply formatting as well. So select the entire column, then custom, general, clear 000 space 000 space, then the next one is 4 digits. Yeah, that's 000. So okay, now you write the number, you just write even though you write the number that is exit, it will omit first part of it. Oh, sorry. So enter, you see. So press enter. It's gonna separate the first three, then the second three, and the first and the last one. So same thing. Yeah, press enter, it will separate it. So that's how you do this as well. So now sorry for that. So now let's come to the daily water consumption. This one we're gonna customize it as well. That's this one. So you format the entire column, come this, so 0.00, so followed by the letters, so space, then letters, what is it? So press enter, and then first one is 45.70 liters. That was 45.7, enter, and the next one is 36.30, 36.3, press enter, then you have 48.00, 48.00. So that's how. So address, let me add one phone number, then so press enter. So this address, you can add any address. That's address of the student, maybe this one, so any address. So after you have finished, right, input all the student record. Now let's come back and align this. Now this one, as the document is arranged, this one is aligned at the center, this one is here, then same thing up. So now let's finish it up. Now this, you select, that was first column, then you select it up to the end address, right? So you match and center, press OK. So you see it has been matched to the center. Same thing applies to this, then up to the address, match and center, same thing applies to this, match and center, press OK, then press enter, same thing to this, match to center, then press enter. So for student record, you see this one, the height is not the same as this, so you select it, then increase the font size, so after I increase the font size from 11 to 14, then you will do the same thing, match and center. Okay, oh sorry, it's not on the center, right? So those ones, you are going to align this under date of birth and age. So you select this up to H, then you select merge and center. So you see it has been aligned. Same thing this under the personal record of the student. Okay, and this one personal details. Then yeah, so merge and center. Yeah, so yeah, so I want to add some little things. Now we are done with everything here. Oh, remaining the average, the total average. So at the last here we're gonna have, that's under the names. The last one we have average, then we have this, that's the sum of this, the total age, then the sum of the allowance, then sum of the daily oral consumption. So for age you come down to the column for age, that's this, then right equals to sum, then you select the first one, then you write column, then up to, then you select the last one, then you close, then press enter. It's gonna sum everything for you. So even though you put up to the last one, it's gonna sum everything. Same thing to this. You come down to the beginning of the allowance, then you write equals to sum, double click, yeah, then you click on the first one, then column, then the last one, then you close it, then press N. So those are the total. Same thing to the this, you press equals to sum, then the first one, column, then the last one, then you close it and press enter. So those are the totalities. So I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out our next videos.